Hi, I'm Gary and I'm here to launch this month's raffle on my channel, and it is quite the corker. It is the outstanding Nakhon Phanom set from ICM in 1/48 scale, a whole box full of plastic model kits. The set combines the Douglas B-26K Counter Invader with a Cessna 028 Skymaster forward air control aircraft, a set of US aviation armaments, a set of pilot and ground technician figures, and two sets of M8 steel matting to use as the base for your set. The kit retails for about £70 or so in the UK, but I don't feel that's quite enough, so I've also included two of the paint sets from ICM, one for the B-26 Invader and one for the crew figures. That means 10 pots of paint and 2 pots of varnished. And ICM paints, let me tell you, are great to use. Okay, so how do you enter the raffle? Well, the thing you do is you follow this link on screen here. The link is also in the information box below, or you scan the QR code that's also on the screen. That takes you to the raffle website. When you're there, you fill in some details, you answer a simple question using your skill and judgment, and then you're able to purchase raffle tickets. Each ticket costs £1, and there are multi-buy packages available as well. This raffle runs until the end of Saturday, the 12th of October, British summertime, so midnight at the end of Saturday, 12th of October. After that time, raffle will automatically and completely at random pick the winner from among the tickets that have been purchased. Now, it's important that the email you put in your registration when you join up at raffle is correct, because that's the only way I've got of getting in touch with you to let you know you've won, because you then have to claim the prize against the winning ticket. I'll explain. It's very, very straightforward, as the previous winners have found out. To do this, once you've claimed the prize, I send it to you, you accept the prize, everything's done, including getting 10% of the proceeds sent straight to Models for Heroes automatically as well. So that's all it needs doing. I will publish the name of the winner on Monday Matters on the 14th of October as well. Okay, that's it then. Thanks very much for watching this video. And if you're going to enter this raffle, the very, very best of luck to you. In any case, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.